Hello everyone, today I will show you how to run Windows 3 Windows 2.03 on any Android phone. At first go to the Limbo x86 go to the RAR and install RAR from the APK given in the description, and also install Limbo emulator APK. And then go where you have saved the file and then mark Windows 2.03.rar and then click on the extract button. Mark keep broken files and then click on OK. See, it is extracted, and then open Limbo x86 and in the load machine select new, and in the machine name select Windows 2.03 and then click on create. And in the CPU model select QEMU32. In the CPU core select 1. In the RAM memory select 40. In the hard disk case select open, and then select Windows 2.0.vdi from the folder where you have extracted the file, and then scroll down and mark hard disk A and then select the file, and in the network card select RTL8139, and in the boot from device select hard disk. In the user interface select SDL and mark full screen, mark high priority, and then just to verify that all settings are right, and then click on the triangular play button. See, it is starting MS-DOS. And after you see this message, click on the back button and then select the keyboard button and then type CD spacebar Windows WINDOWS and then click on enter. See, it is now in the Windows directory, and then again go to the keyboard button and then type WIN and then press enter. See, Windows 2.0 is now started, and if the mouse doesn't work, click on the back button, click on the keyboard button. See, mouse is also working, and I can show you by opening some apps like Notepad. See, it is the Notepad. And if you want to go back to your Android, if you want to go back to your Android, press the back button and then click on the three dots and click on the shutdown button and then click on yes. See, the VM is now turned off. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.